Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. This is the SE Tech model, 2-litre diesel manual car, just done over 45,000 miles, so lovely mileage for a car of this age. Some very nice factory options, purchased in 2020 by the keeper from the Land Rover main dealer, and it had just done over 20,000 miles then. Now the car's finished in the Yulong white metallic paintwork and it's sat on the 18-inch upgrade sparkle finish alloy wheels. Now they're shod in really great tyres, Pirelli Scorpions all round on this. We've got a set of mud flaps on as well, which just add to the detail. Now external wise, the vehicle has got the Santorini black roof, the Santorini black mirror caps, we've got the rear privacy glass which is a factory option as well, and then the external detailing is all in the high gloss black finish, so the wing vents onto the door, the bottom door mouldings, and then as we come round the front of the car, this is a facelift version, so we get the Range Rover style high gloss front grille, slightly smoked darker headlamps, and then down the bottom of the car we then get the front and rear parking sensors. Now the paintwork on this car is in fantastic order. The metallic paint finish, as I say, is a £650 auction approximately on this year, and the metallic finish is in wonderful order. It's a pearlescent tone, so it just changes its colours in the different lights. But this car has really been cherished. Just take a look down the sides there. The paintwork is finished in high gloss finish. No trolley dents or any marks that I can really see or speak of. You can see the mud flaps on the back there, so quite a car which a customer was conscientious of having mud and mess on his vehicle. Rear tailgate spoiler, and then the black detailing comes round the number plate detail. We've got twin tailpipes. This particular model has the electric tailgate as well. That's a very nice option. Now, SEs you can buy, and then the technology is basically the cars that have the satellite navigation. So don't confuse an SE and an SE Tech. SE technology, so the technology pack is parking sensors front and rear, power folding door mirrors, satellite navigation, to name but a few. Now the driver's side then is exactly the same as the passenger, is high gloss finish and free from really any blemish whatsoever. This is an above average car. In fact, I would say for a 16 plate, 7 years old, it's as good as I've seen. We've got 2 keys for the car. We have all the original paperwork, the warranty documents when the last keeper bought it from the Land Rover approved. Looking inside the car, we've got the full black leather seats then, and then we've got the contrast silver stitch, power folding door mirrors, and then the chrome and black gloss detail. Electric seats on the front. Now the second generation Evoques have a more bolstered chair. This is semi-aniline, so perforated black leather seats, and then we get the black leather steering wheel. We've got lane change assistance as well on this, so the steering wheel, if you don't indicate as you're overtaking cars, gives you a slight vibration through it. Again, lovely option. 45,893 miles as I start the car up. No warning lights or anything there, obviously just telling us we need a bit of fuel. But the cars are fully loaded internally, so we get then heated seats, automatic wipers, automatic headlamps, Bluetooth telephone, cruise control, speed limiter, and then when we come down we've got heated front windscreen, digital climate control, and then when I select reverse we get the parking sensors both on the screen and audible. This one has a heated front windscreen, auto dimming centre mirror. The 2 keys are with it there. We've got the media player, so if you want to Bluetooth your phone to the system you can do, and then you can stream your music. If we press the home menu on the screen, it'll give us the options, so the radio being DAB, auxiliary, and then we've got then satellite navigation pops in. So satellite navigation, remember, is an option on the Evoque range, but if you buy an SC with the technology pack, that's part of the technology pack. So we've got everything there that we require. We've got all the book pack that's pictured, and the service history is all pictured as well, and it'll be detailed in our advert. We've then got underneath the centre armrest, we've got the auxiliary, we've got a 12-volt charger in there. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper was not a smoker of this car. Smells very nice, very fresh. The aluminium detail which runs in the cars is in lovely order. The passenger seat again is in superb condition. Nothing that would detract from the overall desirability of this vehicle. Locking wheel nut keys in the glove box. But yeah, a lovely revving car. Very, very nice in this cabin indeed. Superb in every possible way. So there's the cabin. Can't fault that. As I open the back door, the white contrast stitch, silver stitch follows through. Speaker system, the high gloss black interior detail, and then the passenger and driver's side seats of this vehicle are again in lovely order. No rips, tears, plucks, any damage whatsoever. Buying in full confidence here. This video is as transparent as it can be, so you can see what you're buying, so that you can, if you wish, put a $250 fully refundable reservation deposit on this vehicle. And what that will do then, it will take it off sale. It will then put it through our preparation department, whether it requires MOT, service, etc. Our in-house detailers will go through it, and then we'll arrange collection with yourself from Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Once you arrive, once you've viewed the car, once you've test drove the car, once you're completely happy with the vehicle, you can do then a banking payment to our bank from yours via your phone, and then we'll register the car and you can drive away on the same day. As simple as that. All our cars are fully guaranteed. They're all HPI clear. They come fully inspected, 128-point pre-delivery inspection. Anything it requires, it gets it done. Simple, it's fun. Have a coffee with us and we'll show you around our vehicles. So have a look on our WhatsApp, have a look on our Auto Trader reviews. We're a 5-star dealer, same family for the last 40 years, here in Wigan, operating out of one of the Northwest's most desirable showrooms for any independent dealer. As for now, I'm Graham. We've got Dominic and we've got Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a Part-X, if you need finance, give us a call. This car is wonderful. 4 matching tyres, 2 keys, service documentation all up to date. What a wonderful car. So if you're looking for an Evoque which is lovely, then I think you've found the car for you. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.